Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm going to tell you why I put kusot on my plants. Can you see down there? Madaming kusot. And I got 3 sacks. I got 2 of, and one is down there already. That yellow sack. So I get these wood chips from my cousin's shop. Oh, from a friend's shop today. And I'm going to spread them all over that garden place of mine. Okay, so I'll tell you the reason why I do it. So I've learned from some gardening channels, thank you to all of them, that if you put wood chips on the ground, first, it's going to keep your soil moist. So I'm going to give you an example of that. So let's see. Oh, this poor tomato. Okay, so it's dry, right? It hasn't been raining for like 3 days. And if we see underneath, that is still moist, right? So, and it's cool down there. So, kung wala silang kusot, dry sila, tapos alam nyo naman, tag-init na, hindi, so kailangan magdilig ka ng magdilig. And one of my difficulties here is actually wala akong tubig dito sa bundok. So thanks to my dad, who's always bringing, you know, gallons and gallons of water. Okay, so that's one of the reasons. Secondly, you don't want to like put a lot of effort weeding your garden, time, effort, energy, money to weed your garden, right? Maggamas ng maggamas. Magdamo ng magdamo. That's an Ilocano term. I don't know, what is the Visayan term for gamas, weed? Ano nga? So all my Bisaya friends and aunties, anong unsa sa Bisaya ang alam ko na! Magdalos. Okay, magdalos is to weed your garden. In Ilocano term, it's maggamas. Okay. So you don't want to put a lot of effort on weeding your garden. So that's why you put these wood chips on here, and as much as possible you keep them thick. Okay, para hindi talaga tumubo yung mga damo. Okay, so I'll show you. Dito sa mga tanim ko na okra, siguro mabibilang lang ng mga daliri ninyo kung ilan dyan ang mga damo. Okay, lahat sila ay gulay. And then the third reason is that when these kusot, when they break down, right? And the more you water, when you water them, mabubulok sila, okay? They will rot, and then they will become natural fertilizer. Isn't that cool? Okay, that's the 3 reasons. I'm not sure if there are other reasons for putting wood chips here. Oh, and they keep the good, should I call that bacteria? Kaya yan, binibigyan nila ng sustansya yung lupa kasi may mga good, ano dyan, mga worms, ganyan. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. Oh, yeah, they also have fungi, I think. Kasi minsan, tinutubuan sila ng mushrooms pagka nabulok na sila ganyan. Ang galing, diba? So I like it. I like putting the wood chips here. And I think that's all. You guys might want to see what I did as an extra activity. I was looking at my zinnias and they are, wow, full-blown flowers. And ta-da! I picked some of them. As much as possible, I didn't want to because I wanted to keep them in my zinnia alley, like keep them blooming. But then I've learned from videos that in order for you to keep them coming, you should cut them. I really don't want to, but I did pick some. They're really beautiful, guys. You can see that bright yellow and the white is very distinct, and then you can see the fuchsia color there, an orange one, a pink one. I just love all of these flowers, and I didn't expect them to bloom like this big, because when I picked them as like the dry heads where I got the seeds from, it was from my cousin, they were really small, because I think it was the stage that they were already dying back, and so I just grabbed the opportunity to get those seeds. But I didn't, wow, look at these. They are not as I was expecting them to be this big. I love it. Bye! Thanks for watching. I wonder what kind of mushroom this is. Is this even a mushroom? Fungi. Oh, cool. Why is it so yellow? You guys. Ah! Sorry. Looks like a ball. And it's soft, really. I'm sorry. Binunot kita. Coolness. Let's put it back. Maybe it'll grow back.